Today I revealed the secret of VideoExpress AI. These are the video I have made.
What's the answer? The answer is 10.
This is one. This is second video.
Where is the bank?
It is near the park.
Okay, these are the another video I made.
Hello. Why are you sitting alone?
I don't have any friends.
So this kind of a video I have made via VideoExpress. So okay, the VideoExpress AI I just purchased VideoExpress 3.0. So this is a very awesome tool for creating the animations and realistics videos and as well. So here you will be able to purchase this one for the very cheapest cost, only $49 I purchased. So if you go for the uh, first you have to try out this one. So after you satisfy, you can add the remaining features as well. Okay, so here I'll show you what are the things include this one. Before you can purchase, you will be able to understand. So click on it, the text video. So here you will be able to simple and advanced. There are two video prompts there. Here you will be able to select the dialogues as well. The consistent character we can't do it. The consistent character mean you can create one image. You can use this image every scenes. That is called as a consistent characters. That is we can't add this model because we have to purchase the here the VideoExpress Lite. Okay, so we have to upgrade the one. So after upgrade the one, we will be able to work that feature as well. At the moment, I have purchased a basic plan. The basic plan also very good. So here you will be able to see the landscape and portrait. They both. Okay, mobile user there are we will be able to see here. So I'm going to go to do simple animations. So having a prompt. So that simple cartoon prompt will check it. Have a English talking prompt. We'll check it. So how the prompts work. So here this is the simple prompt. Have got it. 2D cartoon. Okay. Read it that. Okay. So I'm going to go to get one. This one. For 3D. I need the 3D characters. Indian 3D character. I put it here. Teacher, can I ask a question? Answer. So I pick up one thing here. One dialogue. So I get this one. Put it here. Let's try out. So first I am going to get the prompt. So this is the before you can generate the video. It is generate the prompt for only 5-second video. So I just copy the entire prompt. Go to the VideoExpress. So put it to. I'm going to go to not this view. So text to video. Click this option. I'm going to go to advanced one and paste it and create the video. So when you're going to create, you can see here your video will be appearing in the media library. When it's ready, you have to wait until the video is ready. Okay, so that this video I have created as a landscape. First you have to check whether how the video look like in the landscape. Okay, you will be able to select whatever choice as you like, as landscape or vertical, as you like. Okay, so at the moment I have created as a landscape. Okay, so let's close it. So let's go to that video, click the media library, my video AI, click on it. Okay, so this is the video here. This is almost ready. Okay, so this is speed. So if you have purchased that another plan, if you upgrade the plan, it is this then fast to generate the video. This also okay at the moment here. Now it's a video is fine. So these are the video I previously made on this platform. Okay, this is simple cartoon animation also made here. That video is when the video is finished, you can get the message as the video generated the AI has been successfully completed. So here the simple video here as a 2D animation video. So let's click play. Now the video is buffering. Okay, so here it's okay, wait it until this loaded. Okay, so that depend on the internet connection. My internet connection is little bit so slow. That's why it takes some time to load. If your home if the internet connection is fast, you will be easily play this video without any barrier. Okay, so that let's play and check whether it's working.
What's the
Here it's buffering.
what's the what's
So let's check. Okay, so this kind of a video we will be make on the VideoExpress very good. Okay, so that if you want to make the cartoon animations videos and make money online, whether you are uploading YouTube or Facebook, okay, this is the very best chance for you to earn. Okay, so because they provide us for the very cheapest price. Okay, we don't know in the future they are providing this kind of a price to us. Okay, so when the users increase, they ultimately they increase their prices as well, because that this is the very cheapest platform, and we have so far we have given as a very good videos. Okay, the output also great, so that we will be check it. Okay,
the answer? What's the answer?
so let's download them. So that's easy. So here to click download, can check it. So this downloaded. Now you can see the output.
What's the answer? The answer is 10. What's the answer? The answer is 10.
Okay, so we have created this awesome video. Okay, using VideoExpress AI. You have to try out this one. Okay, very simple. Okay, so I have given the techniques. Okay, these are the videos I have made. So here the Tom and Jerry video also I have made, simple Tom and Jerry. Okay, the fighting videos here, this kind of videos I have made through here. Here, if you are go through this one here, if you play this one, you can see here.
Can you read this?
Here,
Yes, I can read it.
so this kind of videos we can make here. There are a lot of videos I have made here. Simple, there are many videos I have made through this one. Okay, you have to try out this one. VideoExpress AI. You can go to that basic plan. After, if you are satisfied, you can buy the rest of the options. Okay, so if they allow us to given us a 30 days money back guarantee. If you are not satisfied, they complete refund your money, $49. Okay, don't panic. Okay, if it is not work as you expected. Okay, they are completely they refund. This is the tool, very simple, and we can make money online. We can create this kind of a video. You must try out. Thank you for watching.